our special guest, Cooper. And welcome to another episode of Cloverbud Creators. Today we're going to make our very own DIY Puffy paint. And so here are the things that you'll need to make your own Puffy paint. Shaving cream, glue, flour,
spatula or spoon,
some food coloring,
spoons,
and measuring utensils. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to put 3 cups of shaving cream into our mixing bowl. Okay, so we've got 3 cups of shaving cream, and now we're going to add 1 whole cup of glue, and you can use white glue or clear glue.
Cooper, you can help with this one. You can dump it, okay?
Let me mix. So we'll stir that up so the glue and the shaving cream are together. And while we're doing that,
Here, you can have a turn. And I do the flour.
yes, you can do the flour. And then what we'll do is we're going to add 1 cup of flour. So I have my half cup here because we're going to add it in 2 sections. So now we have the base for our Puffy paint. And what we're going to do is we're going to divide it into 4 different cups because we're going to add food coloring, and we have 4 colors. So we have our orange, pink, green, and purple.
Later.
We'll take a bath after we're all cleaned up. So then what you'll do is put each color in a Ziploc bag. So hold the bag open for me, Liz. Now we have all of our Puffy paint in bags, and you can continue to mix in the bag if you just carefully knead if you think that you didn't mix good enough. And it is ready to use. So what we're going to do is we're going to clean up our workspace, and then we will show you how to use your Puffy paint. All right, so we're all cleaned up. We're back, and we are ready to start using our Puffy paint. So we've chosen black paper because we have these nice bright colors. And so to use your Puffy paint, what you're gonna do is just snip the corner of the bag, and you can push all of your Puffy paint down towards that corner, and you'll use it just like a frosting bag for whipped cream. All right, so here are our Puffy paint pictures. And you can see it's nice and thick and puffy, and it will dry hard, just like regular Puffy paint. One of the things we learned is that it might be a good idea to double bag your Puffy paint so that if one of the bags opens, it doesn't come out the top. So we hope that you enjoyed making Puffy paint with us today. And again, I wanted to remind you that it is 3 cups of shaving cream, 1 cup of glue, and 1 cup of flour to make this recipe for Puffy paint. And if you have leftover shaving cream, you're going to want to hold on to that because next week we're going to have a very special 4th of July craft, and we're going to use shaving cream for that too. So, Lily, any last words?
No.
Well then, we'll see you all next week on Cloverbud Creators.